Alrighty, I have my very first Upcrate. Excuse me. I don't know what month this is because I think it's back in January. They sent out an email saying they have a bunch of returned subscription boxes for a discount. And I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to do that. So I ordered a returned box. It got lost in the mail. So this is the replacement. I don't know if they sent me last month or like 2 years ago box. This could be a complete surprise. And I just painted my nails. I don't know why. I'm not very good at painting nails. Like, it's the worst. It's the hardest art form for me to manage to get all 10 fingers nice and not touch anything for 20 minutes. It's the ultimate act of patience. I fail all the time. I have to completely redo one or two because something smudges or smears or anything else. But they look pretty right now. I think they're dry. I'm not going to touch them. Hopefully, we'll find out if they make it through the box. This says, oh God, I can't breathe. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay. There's a pencil. There's a pencil. I like pencils. Okay. Let's take everything out. I've never had an Upcrate before. I'm trying to be very careful with these nails. Oh my God, it's charcoal. It's charcoal. I like charcoal. She's pretty. I'll set her aside. 30 sheets of paper. Oh boy, wow, okay. I can't touch it. This is awful. Why did I paint my nails? Yeah, nope. That's gonna stay in there because I can't grab it. Okay, battle post. I guess I should. I just messed it up. Okay. Worst decision ever. Stay. Last time I had the cats all over my stuff, and now it's the glove. Oh, dainty little glove. Charcoal, charcoal. Okay. I know how to use charcoal. I'm going to be fine with this. I do not know why they only gave us 3 sheets of paper. But we'll figure this out. This glove's nice. I guess this is one of those anti-smudge things. And putting them on with my nails iffy would be a horrible idea. I wonder if it's left-handed or right-handed. I should look at that. I draw with my left hand. See, charcoal, stuff. Artist glove. It is right and left-handed. Right. Hopefully, I will try that out. It's a nice little booklet. Alright, so it's been a week since I filmed the first part, and I actually had to rewatch it because I forgot what was going on. I had my kid wrecked on his dirt bike, and he ended up breaking 2 of his legs last Saturday. So he spent the last week in the hospital, and I haven't gotten anything done. And that's not saying that I'm worried about, YouTube or getting behind. It's just that when things happen, like the creative part of your head just stops working. And now that he's back home, I feel like I can restart it because I am going absolutely insane just trying to, I do art, not for any other reason other than it really helps my mental state and relaxing me and putting me in a place that I can just relax and feel like I have complete control over what's going on, which may or may not be true, depending on the medium. So anyway, these supplies is different forms of charcoal. I've used charcoal multiple times, and I find there's very little difference in the brand between charcoals. This is a HB, this is a 2B. Here we go. HB over here, 2B up here, sketching. Black chalk is just thicker. These lines is thin, medium, thick, basically. The smudging is about the same. This pencil right here, I don't understand this pencil. It doesn't show up on the paper. Like, see, nothing happens. I mean, you can see it writes over this. It's like it's kind of like an eraser, but not. But it's very weird color. It's just a. Oh, come on, camera, zoom in. Yeah, that's what you heard. There we go. See, it's the same. It's almost the same color as a paper itself. And then there's two white ones. One's oil and one's coal. One's pastel. So I did a swatch, and then my brain decided I need to do something stupid, so I decided to draw a face using two hands at once, and that's my result. Yeah, so, yeah. And then after that, I was like, I'm gonna use the supplies. I got this. I didn't record drawing this, but I'm gonna do another portrait, slightly bigger, to use up the whole page. Yeah, these are charcoal supplies. They're very good supplies. Gives you a nice range of textures. It was hard to get the details. So like, it looks great the farther back you go, the closer up you go, you can see especially the eyes and stuff. It's hard to get the details because you can't get a very fine point on any of these, at least not easily. But I love charcoal. I love working with charcoal. I don't do portraits very often. I think I should do more. I really do. I have exactly 2 more sheets of this toned paper. I do not know why they were so stingy with it. The plus side is I'm glad at least it's a larger size of paper, so I can potentially make a much bigger portrait than this. And this portrait I got off an Instagram account. Let me turn this light off real quick. This called Earthworld, and you're allowed to use any of these photos for your drawing. The person does not mind. In fact, encourages it. It's very good for portrait drawing because these people look very different than like supermodels or anything else. But yeah, so this is where I found the first one, and I'm going to use one of these to find my second portrait image. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to go for here. Yep, I'll find somebody. But if you ever need a portrait to draw, check out this account on Instagram. They have thousands, literally thousands of posts and portraits for you to pick from. And they are very, very nice quality just for the face and stuff. So anyway, the time lapse are going now. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.
It's only for the better. They say we're gonna be alright. It's only for the better. Thoughts keep me up all night. It's only for the better. Please tell me this is right. It's only for the better. we lie. We burn